Democracy in India, Parliament debate Toubamni, Assembly debate Toubamni. Debate Ngambaduna Leibak Leibak Ngakhansi. Assembly manungda aranba achumba with evidence, with documents. Let the people know it. What exactly is happening in the state of Manipur? What exactly happening in our country? Madu punamuktu debate Toubamni Parliament. Ngarang sidrayong ngarang parliament session loir pokando mayam ama launaragasu honorable prime minister na lead tawrkanda union minister mayam even opposition gi leader Rahul Gandhi yauna sangaga khogi lok sabha gi speaker do the kursi korsale. That is the beauty of the democracy. Come on, let us debate inside the assembly. Ngangase laibak sida kari tauri kari lakadori kari taugi nganagadaben not outside. Pakhum leiro de mpham ngang budu yadi ansar pina ba ya mpham du da debate budu that is the real democracy ansar leiro de mpham da pangang budu de du that is not democracy. Assembly later in assembly the leading the elected members in the we should discuss inside the assembly hall and we should show to the peoples who is right, who is wrong, and what is the policy of the state, what is the policy of the government. Sigi mayam se that is the beauty of the democracy. And mapan thokraga khanada insan baduna tab hayeng rally chalaga attack tawro horen rally chalaga attack tawro. That's not the politics. Ai khoi manung da thugairaga kari kanaba rally chatpa kangbu yaning da kangbu yanaba kangbu khanaradi Sinaradi, kanana mangjagani, Akogi Praja, Koi Masin at a mangjagani. Leader Waragadi, emotion to Pada Batambatai. Leader Waragadi, Praja Shingshibu, Bhaptana, what is Habibatai.